everybody. So if you have never seen this face, then you guys should totally subscribe because I'm 10 away from being to 200 subscribers. So if you guys could like subscribe, that'd be great. Also, sorry about my really deep man voice. It's the morning, so my voice is really deep. Today, I'm going to this school, actually, elementary school, the school that I thought I left forever. Kidding. I'm going there to help my teacher clean up for a meet and greet. And then we're gonna like walk to a restaurant and eat there. And then one of my friends is gonna be there helping as well. That should be exciting. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog there because I don't want to be rude and like vlog while I'm like helping because I just feel like that's rude. And then also today is my cousin Silas's birthday. So happy birthday to you, Silas. We are going to have a birthday party and stuff for him. So yeah. Okay, this is OTD, Tilly's, Target, Adidas. Charlie keeps trying to eat my food. Go away, Char. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love you, but you need to go away. Been here for like an hour and 15 minutes. We've been helping. We're such good helpers.
Yeah.
And we're pretty much all done. So now we're going around the school asking other people if they need help. Which I feel like will be kind of weird because they'll be like, "Why are you here?" But yeah. Is the door locked? No. Use the key. So I am now home. It was actually like really fun, and I helped like a lot. I helped like 2 kindergarten classes, which is all of them, and then all the first grade classes and 6th grade classes. And then we went to lunch at this restaurant called Backstop, and it was really good. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm just like chilling. I don't really know what to do. I could film a video, but I don't really know what to do. I feel like it shouldn't have to do with back to school, but like I don't know what to do. I could do like a back to school haul, but like we didn't get that much stuff. So, yeah, I don't know. Trampoline with Taylor. Backflip here. Whew. I wonder if that was a clear shot. Should I do like in front of me? Okay, ready, set, go. Front flip. Oh my gosh. Backflip again. Front flip again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now you guys get to see me doing actual tricks. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. Like you can actually like see it, not in selfie mode. Yeah. I'm gonna be so tired after this. I barely touched the ground. Ariel! What else should I do? Okay, I really don't have anything else to do. One. No, that's I could do in a row. Come on. I'm sorry, out of breath. Now we're gonna see how many backflips I can do in a row. Oh, good. Oh, I don't have any room. Okay, well I think I can only do 3. Okay, guess I can do 4 and I don't want to try anymore because I'm so tired. Last try. Bye.
Got kittens. This one is mine. This one, she's a girl.
Callie.
This is Silas.
Mine has
She's
the
black.
weirdest face. Your guys just have cute
And then
faces.
Taylor and Reagan got this one, and Taylor has the other
Are
one.
you ready to play sardines?
I want to hold Liam and
Show them. Okay.
That's Liam.
This is my cat.
So
Put him back and we're done. You need to let
Guys, these kittens are so freaking cute.
We snuck out of sardines. and came into the car.
Oh,
They're supposed to be sleeping, but
that one's back there. That's
so this one is this is Callie.
Cute.
Mine is Callie, and then this is Flynn, I believe.
Yes,
And then
that's
this one is
Reagan's, right?
Yeah, no, Taylor's.
Taylor's.
And then this is Quince. This is Reagan's cat. And over here is Silas's cat. Hi, baby.
By the way, today is so the party was so fun. Layla and Silas's cats are so freaking cute, which my hair is probably like messed up right now. But yeah, once again, for like the third time, happy birthday, Si. We played like sardines in the dark. Anyways, like, subscribe. Yes, definitely subscribe. Again, I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers. So please subscribe. I really don't want to sound desperate.